How to switch personal account to business account on TikTok. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can switch your personal account to your business account on TikTok. So just go ahead and open your TikTok. When you open your TikTok, I want you to navigate to the profile section, guys. So if you're on the home section, just come back to the profile section. Click on the three-line menu showing just above your screen, guys. Go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, I want you to click where it says settings and privacy. So when you click on settings and privacy, I want you to click where it says account. As you can see, guys, just click on where it says account above your screen here, guys. So when you click on account, click on where it says switch to business account, guys. This is where you can switch from personal account to business account. Just go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, it's going to be asking you, prompting you to this: hi, welcome to business account. And you can see, guys, just click on next. Click on next. As you can see, it's going to just inform you on how you can build your business account. So just go ahead and click on next. And if you click on next, it's going to show you a category. So just go ahead and click on your category. On the category you want to choose, go ahead and click on next. When you click on next, as you can see, guys, it's going to ask you to add your email. Go ahead and add your email. If you add your email, just go ahead and complete. As you can see, guys, my profile is completed. As you can see, guys, my account is now a business account. As you can see, I can access my business suite here. So if you don't want it, you can just go ahead and disable it. Click on account, click on switch account, and you can switch back to personal account. So that's it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.